Hello there, future financiers, and welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we delve into the realm of digital money, exploring its origins, appeal, and potential. We'll also spotlight 5 cryptocurrencies making waves in the market. But remember, while we're passionate about all things crypto, this video serves as a learning tool, not a roadmap to riches. Any investment decisions you make should be based on your own research and risk tolerance. So buckle up as we embark on this digital journey. So to kick things off, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Let's dive in. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency, kind of like a digital version of money. But it's not just any digital currency, it's one that uses cryptography for security. That's a fancy way of saying it uses complex mathematical algorithms to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional money that is issued and regulated by a central authority, like a government or financial institution, cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized system. This means it's not controlled by any single entity. Instead, transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. So why is this decentralization important? Well, it allows for transparency, security, and freedom from interference by governments or banks. In simple terms, it's digital or virtual money made secure by cryptography. Now that we have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrency is, let's delve into why it's become so popular. First off, the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrency has been known to offer impressive returns on investment. Just consider Bitcoin's meteoric rise from a few cents in 2009 to thousands of dollars today. This kind of growth is virtually unheard of in traditional investment markets. Secondly, decentralization. In traditional banking systems, transactions are controlled by a central authority such as a bank or government. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, operate on decentralized platforms. This means that transactions can be completed without the need for an intermediary, offering a sense of control and security that appeals to many investors. Third on our list is accessibility. Cryptocurrencies are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This universal accessibility has opened up investment opportunities to people around the world who may not have had access to traditional banking systems. This has in turn increased the demand and popularity of cryptocurrencies. Next up, we have anonymity. Unlike traditional banking systems that require you to divulge personal information, cryptocurrencies offer a level of anonymity. Transactions are recorded on the blockchain, but the identities of the people involved are not. This privacy aspect is attractive to many investors. Lastly, the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency. More and more businesses are beginning to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. This broadening acceptance is a clear indication of the growing popularity and confidence in digital currencies, which only makes investing in them more appealing. So, to sum up, the appeal of cryptocurrency lies in its potential for high returns, decentralization, accessibility, anonymity, and the growing acceptance of it as a legitimate form of payment. Each of these factors contributes to the increasing interest and investment in the world of digital currencies. With these features, it's no wonder cryptocurrency has been gaining traction among investors. While the potential for returns is attractive, investing in cryptocurrency is not without its risks. Now, let's shed some light on 5 important considerations to keep in mind when investing in this digital asset class. Firstly, cryptocurrency is notoriously volatile. Price swings can be wild and rapid, with Bitcoin, for instance, having experienced both meteoric rises and dramatic falls within short periods of time. So while the potential for high returns is there, so too is the potential for significant losses. Secondly, lack of regulation is another concern. Cryptocurrencies operate in a relatively unregulated space compared to traditional financial markets. This lack of oversight can lead to market manipulation and fraud, increasing the risk for investors. Next, we move to the susceptibility to hacking. While blockchain technology is secure, the exchanges or digital wallets where your cryptocurrencies are stored may not be. Hackers have stolen billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies over the years, highlighting the need for careful security measures. The fourth consideration is the very real possibility of loss. Since cryptocurrencies are digital, they're stored in digital wallets. If you lose access to this wallet through forgetting your password, or if your hard drive crashes, your investment could be gone forever. There's no bank to call, no way to recover your lost password. It's gone. Finally, investing in cryptocurrency requires a certain level of technological understanding. You need to know how to set up and secure a digital wallet, how to navigate cryptocurrency exchanges, and how to keep your investments safe. If you're not tech-savvy, you might find this world a bit overwhelming and potentially risky. In conclusion, while investing in cryptocurrencies can be profitable, it's not something to rush into without a thorough understanding of the risks involved. It's a wild, digital frontier with unique challenges and hazards. It's crucial to keep these considerations in mind before diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Despite the risks, if you're still interested in dipping your toes into the crypto market, here are 5 cryptocurrencies to keep an eye on. First up, we have Bitcoin. The pioneer of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin has remained a strong player in the market since its inception in 2009. Its decentralization, scarcity, and widespread acceptance make it a strong contender for any crypto portfolio. Next on our list is Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just a currency. It's a platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. The potential applications of Ethereum are vast, making it an exciting prospect for future growth. Now let's talk about Binance Coin. As the native coin of the Binance exchange, one of the largest and most respected crypto exchanges globally, Binance Coin offers utility within its platform and has steadily gained value over time. Fourth on our list is Cardano, a project focused on solving some of the biggest challenges in the crypto world, such as scalability, security, and sustainability. It's a third-generation crypto with a strong scientific philosophy behind it, making it an interesting one to watch. Last but not least, we have Polkadot. This multi-chain platform aims to enhance the interoperability of different blockchains, essentially allowing them to communicate and share information. It's a bit like the United Nations of blockchains, if you will. Now, it's important to note that the crypto market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Just because these 5 cryptos are noteworthy now, doesn't mean they'll remain so in the future. Before making any investment, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and potentially seek advice from financial professionals. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed can help you make the best investment decisions. We've covered a lot of ground today, from defining what cryptocurrency is, to discussing why it's popular, the risks involved, and the top players in the market. Let's take a quick recap. We've delved into the very essence of cryptocurrency, exploring its digital, decentralized nature that offers a new way of conducting transactions. We've also discussed its appeal, highlighting the potential for high returns, the ease of access, the allure of blockchain technology, and the opportunity to be part of something revolutionary. However, we've also underscored the need for caution. Cryptocurrency investments are not without risks. Volatility is a constant companion, and the regulatory landscape remains fluid. But don't let this dissuade you. Instead, let it encourage you to be proactive in educating yourself and making informed decisions. And of course, we've touched upon some of the major cryptocurrencies that have caught the attention of investors worldwide. From the pioneering Bitcoin to the versatile Ethereum, the privacy-focused Monero, the stablecoin Tether, and the eco-friendly Cardano, each brings its unique propositions to this digital frontier. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but a starting point for your own research. The journey into cryptocurrency is a personal one, tailored to your financial goals, risk tolerance, and curiosity. While the world of cryptocurrency might seem intimidating, with the right knowledge and precautions, it can be a fascinating and potentially rewarding journey. Until next time, stay savvy, investors. Savvy.